Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we bring an important message for those living with diabetes who frequently include wheat-based foods in their diets. We aim to illuminate the effects of wheat, which naturally contains gluten, can significantly influence your diabetes control and the health of your pancreas. This knowledge could be a game changer for your well-being. To get started, let's first understand the pancreas's pivotal role in diabetes. Your pancreas is a key player, responsible for producing insulin, the hormone that regulates your blood sugar levels. So, where does wheat gluten fit into this picture? Many wheat-based products, thanks to the gluten naturally found in wheat, tend to have a high glycemic index. This means they can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, requiring your pancreas to work harder and produce more insulin. Diabetics, take note, the impact of wheat gluten is not to be underestimated. Consuming high GI wheat foods could potentially keep you in a state of diabetes, or worsen your condition instead of effectively controlling or curing it. Now, let's explore how wheat gluten, present in wheat, can affect your pancreas directly in the context of diabetes. Wheat containing gluten can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Your pancreas must respond by producing more insulin to counteract these spikes. This continuous demand for increased insulin production due to wheat gluten can strain your pancreas, and potentially making it more challenging for it to regulate blood sugar effectively. This strain on the pancreas can be a critical factor in diabetes management, as it may accelerate the progression of the disease, making it more difficult for individuals with diabetes to control their blood sugar levels effectively. In addition to the impact of wheat gluten on your pancreas, some individuals with diabetes might have undiagnosed wheat allergies or sensitivities. These sensitivities can trigger digestive discomfort and add to the stress your pancreas experiences in managing blood sugar. Given these insights, it's vital for individuals with diabetes to be mindful of their wheat gluten intake. Opting for low-gluten or gluten-free options may help alleviate the strain on your pancreas and contribute to more stable blood sugar levels. In conclusion, the impact of wheat, naturally containing gluten, on your diabetes control and the health of your pancreas is substantial. High GI wheat-based foods, strain on the pancreas, and wheat allergies or sensitivities can all complicate diabetes management. We strongly encourage you to work closely with healthcare professionals to create a meal plan that aligns with your specific dietary needs and sensitivities, ultimately supporting your overall health. This knowledge has the potential to make a significant positive impact on your journey toward better diabetes control. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more essential insights.